In this video, I'm going to show you how to use bank rules in QuickBooks Online. So first, let's head on over to the transactions page and head on over to rules. So now let's create a new rule in the um, green button right here in new rule. So just click on it and it will take you to this page. So now what we're going to do is we're going to name the rule and apply to these transactions that are here. So as an example, I'll be naming this rule website creation, and so you can also apply this to the transactions that are money out or money in, and you can also choose which bank account that it will be applied to. Now you can also include the following of this rule: the description, the bank text, or the amount, but I'll be choosing the description, and it contains the word website creation or the text website creation. So now let's assign this to which transaction type. You can choose between expense, transfer, check, or credit card payment. So I'll be choosing expense for this example. And you can also choose a category which it will be assigned to. So that I'll be choosing purchases as an example, and payee is who you will be paying for, and the customer is who it will be for. So we'll be choosing the as an example right here, and our customer, and after that you can automatically confirm transaction that this rules applies to. But if you turn on the auto add button, it doesn't let you review, so be careful when you turn on this button. After that, you can click on save, and that rule will be saved. As you can see, you will find it in the rules tab, and this is your rule right here. And that's about it. That's how to use bank rules in QuickBooks Online. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out.